welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of how to procrastinate from doing that one very important task, we are trying BuzzFeed quizzes. Honestly dude, I'm just looking for some laughs and some gags because I just want to forget that all of this madness is happening around me. It's definitely taking a toll on me. But in all seriousness, online quizzes like this have actually been on my radar for quite some time now. I personally really enjoy looking at videos of people taking these brainless quizzes and the weird results that they end up with. That being said, we are already here on BuzzFeed's website. We're just gonna click on the quiz section to reveal all the wonderful things that we are gonna be exploring today. Right off the bat, there's this one that says design a charming home to find out what type of tea or coffee you're most like. And if you know me, you know that I'm just a huge caffeine person, you know, in any way, shape or form. Chai lover hoon main, coffee lover hoon main, just inject caffeine in me if you want. We're gonna try out this quiz first. Alright, pick an exterior. I'm really torn between this one, the first one, which gives me very New York City vibes, and the last one because, like, you know, plants and greenery and all of that. It's honestly been a dream of mine to, you know, have a little apartment, cozy little apartment in New York City. Not that I've ever been to the United States, or I probably ever will be able to afford it, but you know, just looking at all the early 2000 movies and stuff, having one apartment in some high rise in New York just really feels like the dream. But I feel like for now I'm gonna go for the last one. Yeah, okay. Pick a living room vibe. Okay, interesting. I think the second one again because of the greenery and all of that. Pick a kitchen. I really like this one. Pick a bedroom. Okay, alright. This is like an absolute no. This is also an absolute no because it looks like it's a small house. I feel like I really like the first one. So yeah, we're gonna go with the first one. Pick a bathroom. Okay. This one. Backyard. Pick a backyard. I think this. Matcha latte. You're generally calm, but you've also been known to be quite energetic. On one hand, you want a busy, loud city life, but on the other, you want a relaxing home in the suburbs to call your own. You deserve the best of both worlds. Okay, one, I have never ever drank matcha latte, so that was disappointing, but the description is actually very apt because I'm constantly torn between living, you know, a very fast-paced, hep city life and just having my own small little cottage in Shillong or, you know, Shimla or something like that. So yeah, description on point, but the drink, like, no. No. I really do want to try matcha though. So if anyone of you have actually tried it, let me know how it is and which one should I purchase. Okay, I found the second quiz that I want to take. Which Hogwarts house do you belong in based on your sandwich preferences? This sounds really interesting. Okay, choose some bread. Multigrain, brown bread, bagel, white bread. Okay, white bread. I am a huge white bread hater. Why? No, we don't want that. Humanity doesn't need white bread. Bagels, I never really tried, so I mean, I don't have an opinion on it. But it's definitely a tie between multigrain and brown bread. But I think I'm gonna go with multigrain because it's like healthier. I don't know. What kind of cheese do you want? Oh my god. I love cheese. Like, I love all kinds of cheese, but I think I'll go with cheddar right now because it's like very sharp and very nice. And honestly, I don't know the other types of cheeses mentioned, but we're gonna say that. So yeah, cheddar. Which vegetable? Okay, cucumber, carrot, lettuce. I love lettuce. How do you want it to be toasted? I think I'm gonna go with grilled because I feel like it's the perfect balance between it not being like burnt off and, you know, just being not crunchy at all. So it's like the perfect balance. But I just want to talk about as is for a second. Like, who wants to have their bread as is? Who likes to chew on like that soggy shit? Like, please come forward, reveal yourself to me so that we can all collectively publicly shame you. Okay, so grilled. Who will you share your sandwich with? Just yourself, friends, family, significant other? Just myself. Choose a meat. Okay, salami, ham, never tried ham, meatballs, chicken, just veggies, turkey. You know what? Chicken is safe. We're gonna go with chicken. Choose a condiment. Mayo, mustard, oil. Mayo and oil. Other, none. Okay, so my favorite sauce in burgers and sandwiches is barbecue sauce. Like, I love it. Or chipotle sauce. But like most, like prime is barbecue sauce, but it's not in the options. I think I'm gonna go with mustard because it's my second favorite. And also, fun fact about me, I can take shots of mustard sauce because that's how much I love the flavor and the texture and everything. So yeah, mustard it is. Slytherin! You're ambitious and cunning and you're set on achieving your goals. You also have a highly developed sense of self-preservation. You know what? Like, all of us, because of society, we have to say that, oh yeah, we love Gryffindor, or like, you know, oh yeah, I'm a Hufflepuff. Like, all the cute ones will say that. But I have always been inclined towards Slytherin for some weird reason. I don't know why. I just feel like people who belong in Slytherin are just so, you know, like they have so much grit and so much, you know, like they're so, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so the answer was Slytherin. So if you are a fellow Slytherin, hit me up. Okay, that one was really interesting. I feel like the first one I tried wasn't that great. This one is interesting. How old are you based on the way you use social media? Alright, let's check it out. Before that, another fun fact. I feel like this video is just me passing out fun facts about myself, but fun fact, I do not know how to use Snapchat. I did, however, download it last year once for like a couple of hours, and then I got so overwhelmed I had to delete it. And then a few months ago, for like a work project that I was on, which again, like I had to give up that project because I could not find my way around Snapchat. It's a very weird application. I don't know, I don't like Snapchat, but anyway, alright, let's start with what my age is according to how I use social media. What hashtag would you most likely click on? Gaming, funny, singing challenge, news, politics. I feel like I would click on funny, especially because of the times we are in right now. Who are you most likely to follow? A famous actor, a model, an influencer, a singer, a cooking channel? My friend from middle school. This is so interesting. I don't know if I want to follow any of these people. I guess we're gonna go with an influencer because now I'm moving up the social ranks and I actually have friends who are up there and are big influencers. So I feel like influencers, I would follow them, I would see what they're doing in life. Which YouTube video title would you click on? Shopping spree with my girlfriend, slime without any glue, funny animal, blah, blah, blah. I feel like shopping spree with my girlfriend because that's the only one out of all of these that gives me a very vlog kind of vibe, and that's the content I love consuming. Like, I love seeing people just being in their own element, you know. As soon as that whole scripted angle comes in and, you know, like, okay, this a lot of production went into this, like 10 people, 20 people made this, I just like lose interest because I just feel like it's not authentic, even though that's just such a rubbish way of describing high production stuff. Like, films are not authentic, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, when you're on YouTube, you want to see like stuff in real time, stuff that's been done by someone like you. So yeah, I think shopping spree with my girlfriend. How many followers do you want? I want 1 million followers because I don't know why, I just want it. What app is your favorite? Oh my god, it used to be TikTok. I think at the height of the pandemic was also the height of my obsession with TikTok, and it would have grown and probably brought me more opportunities and stuff, but the Indian government did its thing and we lost a dear friend forever. So I don't think I should be picking TikTok right now. I think we'll go with YouTube because I really like watching content on YouTube, even though I spend a lot of time on Instagram, but it's not an enjoyable experience. Like, it's always like self-hatred, like a fueling up of self-hatred whenever I'm on Instagram, because I just follow like all these beautiful people and there are all these beautiful people on my feed, and it's just like it's not great. So YouTube is what we're going with. Last question, what would you post? Cute animals, memes, nothing, the latest news, tutorials, just pics of me with my people? None of this. I would post a video for you, just for you. I would post a video. But yeah, I don't think just pics of me with my people, which is like Trisha and my mom. But yeah, I think pics of me with my people. Oh my god, I'm so like scared of seeing the result because I don't know why am I scared? This is not a real thing. 21! You basically live on social media right now. You're probably always explaining to your parents what certain things mean and constantly sending memes to your group chats. I don't have many group chats, but that's very close. I'm actually 23, but I like this answer. This is a good answer, right? Alright, let's check out more quizzes that we can take. You know what? I really like this. This actually did catch my eye before as well. Catch my eye? Catch my attention. Catch my attention. Want to know your soulmate's first initial? Answer these random questions to find out. Let's check this out because we already have a soulmate and we have an initial. So this particular quiz will only tell us the credibility of BuzzFeed quizzes. So let's go. First question. What's your favorite color? It's none of these, but the second favorite is blue, so we'll go with that. Yeah. What's your favorite band? Again, my favorite band is 1975. My second favorite band is The Neighborhood, but it's not on the list. So we're just gonna go with BTS because the other bands I don't really listen to a lot in passing, but I'm a BTS fan. Choose a chocolate food. Cake, brownies, milkshake, ice cream. Actually, I just want vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. I think we're gonna go with milkshake. But it has to be a well-made milkshake. Like it can't be a shitty, thick-ass, weird-ass. It has to be a good milkshake. Recommend me some places which make like really nice milkshake. Like I'm talking smooth, you know, kuch atke na muh mein, like just smooth, nice milkshake. Let me know. Choose a dress. Oh my god, I really like this first one. If only I could ever fit in that. And I also like this one, the wrap one. I actually have. So we're gonna go with this. Who's your 1D soulmate? What is 1D? Oh, okay, One Direction. The thing is, I don't know these guys. Other than Harry and Zayn, I don't know these guys. So I think we're gonna go with Harry because he just seems like a nice person, you know. I feel like he's a nice person. And also like my niece, I mean not my niece, Trisha's niece, who's my good friend, also really likes Harry's style. So we're just gonna trust her opinion on this. DHSW, Daniel, Holly, Sam and Willow are the first names that come to mind, but anything can happen. This is a shit quiz. I'm just saying. I think you should try them too and get back to me on my Instagram @ShaluMishra as to how it went for you. Especially ये जो soulmate वाला question था वो try करना. Feel free to take the ones that I did and tell me what your results were in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video, but I have been wanting to make it for a long time and I have a migraine right now, so I'm gonna go right now. But if you want me to make more of these, you know what to do. I'll see you guys very soon. I love you.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.